वीडियो आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरी यूट्यूब चैनल कोरोना पढ़े मेरा जो आ चुके 600 के हिस्ट्री के साथ। और आज के मेरा चैप्टर का नाम है इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द मौर्यन पीरियड। चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। हमारा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट, Persepolis was built as the capital city during the empire of Darius. Second, Seleucus Nicator became the king of Babylon after Alexander's death. Agriculture was the main occupation during the Mauryan period. Medical treatment for people and animals was a part of the Emperor Ashoka's people welfare activities. Fifth, the Mauryan Empire was the largest empire in nation India. Second, state whether the following statements are true or false. First, trade and commerce between India and the West improved after Alexander the Great entered into India. The shipbuilding was also an important occupation during the Mauryan Empire. True, Greek coins had an impact on how kings made their coins in later years after Alexander the Great. Indica was written by the Alexander Great. False. Empire Ashoka did not believe in public welfare. False. The Mauryan people and the Mauryan Empire enjoyed dance and music concerts as entertainment activities. True. Third, answer the following questions in one sentence. When did Alexander the Great invade the northwestern frontier of India? The Alexander Great invaded the northwestern frontier of India in 326 BCE, 326 BCE. Second, why did the satraps begin to fight among themselves? There was a struggle for power amongst the satraps, because of which they began to fight among themselves. Who did Ashoka send to Sri Lanka for the spread of Buddhism? Ashoka sent his own son Mahendra and daughter Shangamitra to Sri Lanka to spread Buddhism. Which animals engraving are found on the pillars excreted by the Emperor Ashoka? Answer, there are engravings of animals like lion, the bull and the elephant on the pillars excreted by Emperor Ashoka. Fifth, what were the occupations of the people during the Mauryan Empire? Agriculture and artistic related occupations such as carving on ivory, weaving and dyeing clothes, and metal work such as pottery were the occupation of the people during the Mauryan period. Fourth, explain the following satraps. The territories that Alexander the Great conquered were called satraps. He appointed Greek officers to administrate these territories. अब जो टेरिटरीज अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट जो थे उनके थ्रू जो कॉन्कर की गई थी उन्हें हम सेट्रैप्स कहते हैं। और वो सेट्रैप्स को कुछ ग्रीक ऑफिसर्स ने अलेक्जेंडर ने उन्हें एडमिनिस्ट्रेट करने का था, उन्हें अपॉइंट किया गया था उस टेरिटरी को लुक ओवर करने के लिए या उस पर ध्यान देने के लिए। सेकेंड, सुदर्शन। Answer, Emperor Ashoka qualities as a capable king are invaded from an inscription which state that he built a dam called Sudarshan near Gujna Ghat in Gujarat state. 3. Devanappiya Dasi. Emperor Ashoka believed in the values like compassion and forgiveness. Some of the inscription in his kingdom describes as a Devanappiya Dasi, beloved of the god and he who looks on with affection. अभी इसका मतलब क्या होता है देवनम्पियम दासी? इसका मतलब ये होता है कि एम्परर अशोका जो थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा फॉरगिव करते थे लोगों को, मर्सीफुल थे और वो बहुत ज़्यादा कंपैशन थे। ये सारी चीज़ें उनने बुद्धिज्म से एक्वायर की थी और इसके कारण उन्हें इनके एक किंगडम के इंस्क्रिप्शन में उन्हें डिस्क्राइब किया गया है एज देवनम पियम पियदासी। एज पर वो भगवान को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते थे और वो सबको अफेक्शन के साथ देखते थे, प्यार के साथ देखते थे। अशपद माउंटेन, अशपद या अशपद जो गेम था उसे चेस को पहले अशपद कहा जाता था। द मौर्यन पीपल एंगेज विद सर्वल्स एक्टिविटी फॉर देयर रिक्रिएशन एंड एंटरटेनमेंट। चेस वाज कॉल्ड अशपद एंड वाज एन पॉपुलर बोर्ड गेम। फिफ्थ आंसर in brief, what was the extent or spread of Chandragupta's Maurya Empire? Chandragupta Maurya founded the Mauryan Empire and established the rule of Magadha around 326 BCE or 325 BCE. He won Avidhi and later invaded the northern west frontier region of India and Punjab, the northern west region of Kabul and Kandahar and Herat became the part of Mauryan Empire. What was the extent or spread of empires? Ashoka's empire extended from Afghanistan in the northern west and Nepal in north to Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh in south, from West Bengal and in the east. Saurashtra in west, West Bengal in east and Saurashtra in west. Third, describe the public welfare work on Emperor Ashoka. Emperor Ashoka worked towards creating several faculties for the welfare of his people. Free medicine and medical treatment was available for people as well as animals. He brought proper roads and planted trees on the either side of the shade. Wells and dharmashalas were built for the benefits of the people. Describe the meaning of entertainment and sport during the Mauryan Empire. During the Mauryan Empire, people celebrated festivals and functions for their joy and entertainment. They enjoyed dance and music concert as also wrestling, bounce and chariot racing. People also played board games such as chess. What is your opinion? Alexander had to turn back. Alexander defeated the local kings in India and reached Punjab. However, his army suffered a lot in the invasion, which made his soldiers keep home. The rebelled against him and refused him to fight the enemies. Alexander was therefore forced to return back. Points of Greek kings were characteristics. The Greek kings minted their coins in the characteristic style. On one side, it had the picture of the king who had mint it. On the other side, the picture of a Greek god. The name of the king was also written on the coin. Emperor Ashoka decided never to wage war again. Emperor Ashoka was a very gentle and compassionate human being. He was deeply moved by the Kalangir war and decided to never wage a war again. He realized the real victory is the one who arouses compassion and love and not the one who achieved by killing innocent lives. आज के लिए बस नहीं, आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा। अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगा वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट्स में जरूर बताना आपको मेरा ये वीडियो कैसा लगा। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।